Hi, third grade. Today we're talking about past tense verbs, and those are actions that have already happened. And to show a past tense verb, we add ed to most of the verbs to show that they're past tense. There are some spelling rules, though, that we have to follow. Here are some spelling rules. If the verb ends in a consonant and a Y, just like we always have, we change the Y to I, and then we add ed to show past tense. If it already ends in E, if the word ends in E already, we drop the E and add ed. And here's a new rule. Draw your attention right here. And that is, if a verb ends in a vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant and add ed. Okay, a good example of this would be for the word grin. Grin ends in a vowel, which is the I, and then the consonant. So to make this past tense, we're going to double the N and add ed. Okay, this is from page 170 in the book. Here we're just going to name the past tense verb in each sentence. So I'm just going to do one example here. We stayed inside for recess. Stayed is the past tense verb there. And on this page, what I want you to do is make the verb that is in parentheses past tense by following the spelling rules. So it has to be spelled correctly. When you're done, put it in the black bin. Thanks.